So you probably heard it all before. Wake up early, meditate, drink 8 gallons of water. The habits I'm going to tell you about today are not like those habits. What I'm sharing today are 5 game-changing habits that will change your life, and not in a do it for 6 months kind of way, more like do it for 3 days and see results kind of way. So let's start off with number 1, and that's a simple notebook. Each night I put down my daily routines in this little section right here, and I mark down if I'm completing them or not. And at the end of the month, you get to see your progress and see how consistent you've actually been. You could also put your 2025 goals, your monthly goals, your weekly goals, absolutely anything. You could put your win of the day. This is by my bed. So every time I go to bed, it takes me 2 minutes to fill it out. And then at the end of the month, I can see all my progress. And by the way, if you want the exact layout to this notebook, there's a video link in the description. You could check out how to set it up yourself. But let's move on to the next one. Number 2, I'm standing in my kitchen. I just had a glass of ginger ale. Now, normally I'd look at this and tell myself that I will wash it tomorrow. However, the fact that it only takes 2 minutes or less to complete this task means that I should probably get it out the way right now so I don't have to worry about it later. This rule is literally like decluttering your brain in real time, because as soon as something needs to get done, if you see that it's out of the way or out of place, you start to take care of it. Number 3 is reading when you're bored. This is a scenario I've been in constantly. It's mid-afternoon, it could even be evening. I finished every task that I have to do for the day already. Now I'm bored. What I don't want to do is hop on Instagram, TikTok. What I try to do is pick up a book that I'm actually interested in. It could be fiction or nonfiction. I realize that fiction tends to be more pleasurable when you're bored because you don't have to think too much. You're kind of just reading and visualizing as you go. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, number 4 is setting a bedtime alarm, not a wake-up alarm. This one sounds a little weird and it's not really ordinary for most people, but it's a great indicator to let your mind and body know that it's time to go to bed. You're training your brain to get as much sleep as you possibly can, and you're building a routine which your body will thank you for. Lastly, number 5 is the end of a long day. Your brain is a tangled to-do list of random worries. So now it's time to go and take like a 5-minute walk, 5 to 10 minute walk with absolutely no stimulation. You're just raw dogging outside. It's great at the end of the day because it becomes sort of like a manual reset button, and it lets yourself know the day is over. No need to stress until tomorrow comes around. And that's it. That's 5 habits that aren't just bullshit and actually worked for me. And none of them are about waiting months to get results. These aren't these long morning routines. It's literally things that you can sprinkle into your day. And if you made it this far, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.